guys, I'm Haley. Welcome to our channel. This is my sister. Hey, I'm Elizabeth. We're going to be teaching you how to do some different Dutch styles. I'm just going to do a couple different styles on her hair. She has really long hair, but this can be used really for any length of hair. Just watch the clips.
Okay, so basically all I'm doing here is I am brushing out her hair, making sure there's no tangles or knots before I get started. Then I'm going to separate her front that I'm going to be braiding from the back that I'm not. I will just put it up in a bun or a ponytail to get it out of the way. Then once you do that, you're going to take your first section of hair. The smaller the section of hair that you use, the more detailed that your braid is going to be. So once you get that section of hair, you're going to separate it into 3 equal parts. Once you have it separated, you're going to cross your first strand under your middle strand, and then you're going to do the exact same thing with the back and put it underneath your middle strand. Then you're going to start adding your hair. You're going to get a piece of hair from the front and add it to the first strand. Once those are added together, you're going to put that underneath your middle strand. Then you're going to do the exact same thing to the back. So grab a piece of hair and put it with your last strand and put it, once you have it together, put it underneath your middle strand. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I reach my desired length. So you just add that hair to the first and then cross it underneath the middle. And then you're going to grab some more hair, add it to the back strand, and cross it under the middle again. Try to smooth your hair as you go so it keeps that smooth look. And then I'm just going to speed up the video. I do the exact same thing all the way down until you reach the desired length of your braid. Okay, so now that I'm reaching the end of where I want her braid to be, I'm just going to swap to the typical braid and finish it out. Once I have that where I want to be, I use the elastic to hold that braid in place. Once I have the braid where I want it to be, I take down the hair that I did not braid, and then I'm just going to fluff her braid a bit to make it look a little bit more loose and fluffy. You just grab basically like the middle of that section of the braid and pull it to make it looser. I kind of use hold the bottom of the braid tight. It makes it easier to pull the hair out in place, and you just do that all the way down until you have all of the braids kind of fluffed. And you can tug on it as much as you want to make it as big as you want it to be. We like big fluffy braids, so you can see that I pull on it a good bit to make it kind of fluffy. Okay, so now that the braid is complete, I am just going to put this into a side pony and brush your hair out to smooth it. Once I have it in the ponytail, I'm just going to kind of tug on the hair a little bit to fluff it up so it's not so stuck to the head, and it kind of just gives it some volume. And this is the finished look. Okay, you guys, so this is the second hairstyle that we are going to show you. It's the exact same concept as the first hairstyle. It is just 2 braids versus the 1. You just separate your hair into 2 equal parts, put one side of your hair into a ponytail or a bun to get it out of your way so you can braid the other side. You're going to grab that first section just like we did in the first clip, separate it into 3 equal parts. Then you're going to cross the first strand under the middle strand and the last strand under the middle strand. Once you've done that, you add hair to the first strand, cross it under the middle strand, add hair to the last strand, and then cross it under the middle strand. And you just do that all the way down until you've reached your neck where your hair stops. Okay, so now that I'm reaching the end of the hair, I'm going to grab my elastic and tie off that braid to hold it in place. Once I've got that tied off, I'm just going to fluff the braid as I did in the first clip. You know we like our braids big and fluffy, so I'm just gonna tug on that as much as I can to get that braid as big as I can. All right, and now that I'm done with that side, I take down the bun of the other side, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing, complete the Dutch braid all the way down, and I will let you watch this video. Now I'm at the end, so I'm just going to tie that braid off to hold that braid into place, and I am going to fluff this side just as I did the other side. And that is it. You are all done. That is the completed look. You can curl the bottoms of your hair if you would like, but if not, I think it's just as cute just to leave it straight.
Fifth term. All right, guys. Well, I hope you really enjoyed that video. We enjoyed making it.
Yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe.
If you want some more videos, let us know what hairstyles you want us to do, and we will get them up and going as soon as we can. Sorry about the child. She can only be quiet for so long. So, all right, let us know. We'll talk to you guys later.
Say bye.